boy. Good boy. Bring it over here. Jake, bring it over here. Come on. Bring it over here. What are you going to do with it? Scout, where's your present? Look here. Scout, here's your present. Go. Come on. Go. Scout. All right. What is it? What is it? Jake, what is it? Get it.
It'll be a dog fight.
No dog fight. No dog fight.
You need to bring Jake over here and help him.
Oh.
Watch Scout.
What'd you think?
That's it, Jake.
That's it. There's nothing else in there. Hold on. Jake.
They just.
There. Yeah. What's this? What's this? Oh, is this paper stuck in your mouth? What is it? Oh, goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. What is it? There's nothing else in there. Quick. What is it? Goodness. Scout just wants some paper. Okay. What? Oh my goodness. What is in there? Something good. Oh. What you got? Oh no, it's got a squeaker. That's got wrapping paper hanging out of its mouth.
He just flung that across the room.
Look at it! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited! Yes! Here, come here. No! Let's go. What is it? Oh! Woo! Yay! What you got? Something good! Look at that tail. Are you so excited? Oh, there's just paper, baby. Just some paper. What is it? Look at him. Goodness. Get it. Scout. What is it? Oh. Jake. No, Scout. That's Jake's. Look, Jake. Have this one. Fun. Whatever. What a mess. What a mess. Jake's like, there's something else, right? Hold on, let's pick up all this paper and then we're going to do the big present. Nothing